Hello, dear co-professionals from Chandigarh. This is Santosh Ravindran speaking to you from Mumbai. I am scheduled to come and meet all of you all in Chandigarh, Hotel Western Court on Sunday, 13th of November. The purpose of meeting all of you all is to basically discuss the multiple options available as of today with regards to teeth whitening. The generation is currently completely under the influence of social media, wherein they are posting pictures and selfies day in and day out on Insta, Snapchat, Twitter, and where all, I really don't know. So many platforms are there. And this has actually increased the demand for teeth whitening, which was always there, but now it is at a real crescendo where people all want nice and white teeth shining so that they can have a nice, bright smile. So we'll discuss different. First, we'll try and understand why the teeth discolor. What are the different types of discolorations? We'll understand who are the patients who are eligible to go in for whitening and who are the ones who are not eligible to go in for whitening. And if they are eligible to go in for whitening, what are the different options available to them? Different chemicals, different modalities. So we'll discuss everything based on teeth whitening, whether it is a single tooth, endodontically discolored tooth, or it is a generalized discoloration which can be treated at office or at home. So we'll discuss hydrogen peroxide, carbamide peroxide, sodium perborate, high volume hydrogen peroxide, all the different options available. We'll discuss fluorosis stains and how these stains can also be treated non-invasively by just using the specific chemicals on the teeth by using specific techniques. So these are multiple things that we are going to discuss with you on the 13th of November at Hotel Western Court. I hope to see you all in large numbers and looking forward to a nice interactive session with all of you all. And a little point which I would like to share with you is that I will be giving out notes to all of you all, which will contain all the information so that after you go back to your practices, if you have certain doubts as to how some procedure needs to be done, you can just go back to the notes and refer back to it and you will get it yourself. So thank you so much. Signing off, Santosh Ravindran.